Hello guys, it's MrCodproguy here to show you my fireworks stash for 2011. Just a little stuff. It's not all of it. Most of it I have, well, some of it I got packed in a little bag to go over my girlfriend's house actually. Got invited over there, and on the 3rd they have stuff up there in Havre Grace. So, alright. Let's just get started here. Once again, this is not all of it. It's just a little stash, by the way. That's the assortment. And let's get started. I'll show you what's in this thing. Alright, we got Wolfpack bottle rockets. Really nice. Show you one. Wolfpack bottle rockets. Ooh. That's not good. I just snapped it on my desk. Alright. Then you got the Howling Wolfpack rockets. So, those two things. And you got a bunch of those in there. See, I'll show you those. Got a bunch of those in there. And then you got Roman candles. Once again, stuff is opened. See, your Roman candles here. These would be up there. 8-ball Roman candles. And you get 6 of them. It's pretty nice. Then you got 2 tanks. You know what these do? They roll, and then in the front they spark out shower. You know what spark out shower means, I hope. Oh, you also get punks in here. Super hard to find. So I can't. Yellow jacket fountain. I also bought hydro crackers separately. You know what hydro crackers are? They're like a common firework. Oh, it's a little. Wait, give me one second. Just a little firecracker right there, with their green fuse. They also are waterproof, so you can put them in water. A lot of people make videos of them on YouTube if you want to check them out. Snakes, they come free if you get a coupon. If you get this from Phantom like I did, get a coupon offline, get a free brill pack of six piece boxes of snakes. So altogether you would have like 42, 48 snakes to light off. What else should I start with? Oh, let's do this. Some more fountains. I'm showing you all the fountains first. Got this Wrath of the Hydra fountain. It's a nice size. It's not bigger than the yellow jacket, but yeah, it's a pretty nice size. Then we got, let's see what else. Oh, Wolfpack firecrackers, 200 strip. 200 strip Wolfpack firecrackers. Maximum loud Wolfpack. My favorite firecrackers are Wolfpack. Also like Black Cat, but Wolfpack would be my all-time favorite for firecrackers. What else did we get here? Oh, the 2 in twirl 7-shot cake. Little small cake. It's not really that big, but whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what gram this is, not definitely sure. Saturn battery, guys. These are nice. One of my dad's favorites. 25 shot. Just like what it basically is, you can actually tell what it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this. See, these are the howling wolf pack, and these have report, these howl too. And here these howl, but these howl too. Look at the top of these. See that little point? Look at the top of these. See the points? It's basically all it is. Howling Wolfpack rockets right in here. Well, not Wolfpack. Howling rockets. They're all made in here. 25. Just light them up and they go off basically. Basically, you can make it yourself if you want to. Just put 25 rockets fused together. Bottle rockets. Then we got your parachutes. Always fun. These are single day parachutes. Got 2 of them. Then you got your, I got a repeater here, it's basically a candle repeater, I would say. 36 shot large Happy Planets. That's pretty nice. Pretty decent one. 36 shots in there. Shoots flaming balls. Pretty nice. I remember I had one of these last year. It was like one of my favorite things. Put that over here. I usually get the Uncle Sam assortment, but this year I didn't really have that much money because I spent it on video games. Then we got, I already showed you snakes. See, here's more. There's 3 kinds of snakes in there. You get 2 boxes of each one. Colored snakes, glowworms, and just the black snakes. They're all cool to me. Just little things. You got your jumping jacks. You got 5 of them in here. You know what jumping jacks are? Then you got your M88s, of course. Your firecrackers. Yeah, the hydro crackers and the M88s. Let me tell you something, guys. M88s are loud. Hydro crackers are right next to it. Look how small they are compared to this thing. Look, I'll show it closer for you guys. Right next to it, dude. Hydro crackers are amazing. And you get a box of them for like $4 at Phantom. Cheaper at other fireworks stores. Phantom is expensive, but they're the best, well made. Hydro crackers there are $4. You get 100 pieces in a bag. Oh, it comes in a box, but the bag's in the box. I love them. They're just fun. M88s, like I said. Ground blooms, you know what those are. I'm on the ground, they spin up. They're basically like jumping jacks, but these actually spin around in one thing, not like they don't break up and go phew, phew, phew. And you got 88 salutes. Then this isn't even close to a hydro cracker. Hydro crackers are nothing compared to this. And 1,000. Look how big that thing is. Look at my pinky. Dude, that thing's the size of my pinky. That's freaking huge. No, it's actually bigger than my pinky. Look at that. It's like the size of my pointer finger. Look at that. It's the size of my pointer finger. That thing's huge. It's, you can go on YouTube and you can look up M1000. This is the size of my pointer finger again. It's pretty big. M1000 explosion. Look it up on YouTube. It's like dynamite, dude. Alright, then you got your bombing planes. Always fun to fly up in the air. Explosion at the end. Then you got your baby sunflowers. Then you got your, let's see here. Oh, we got a bunch of other fountains in here. There's a bunch of different fountains. I already took them out of the boxes. A bunch of different kinds. Not even gonna name them all. Then you got your mortar floral shells. This one's called Star Rider. Nice decent tube. Nice decent tube right there. Nice size. Then you got your idiot salute crackers. You get like those mortal shells. You get like 5 of them. Well, they're actually tubes, mortal tubes, already there. Already has the shell made into them. Then one of my other favorites. Sorted rockets. Wait. They're sorted rockets. You know what sorted rockets are? This is a sorted rocket. Nice. They're decent. Put this back in here. Give me a second. Get a decent pack of them. They have like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them in there. It's pretty nice. And then last but not least, you got your Copperhead mini shell kit. It's pretty nice. It has 6 shells in it with the firing tube in the middle. It's pretty nice. I'll take the shell out and show you one. They're a little small, but man, do they give off a boom. Here it is right there. But man, do they get off a boom for being that small. Alright guys, well, you guys saw my firework assortment. So, I got one thing to say. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and comment. Get the fuck out of here.